Welcome to the Greenway with Mac, a channel dedicated to active transportation. We start today's tour at the Marshall Avenue trailhead of the Deer Creek Greenway. This cute park has some great amenities like bike racks, picnic tables, and a little pump track for BMX-style bikes. After filming for this video, I realized there was another small stretch of the Greenway across South Brentwood Boulevard that leads to Lorraine Davis Park. Here's a map to find the park if you are comfortable crossing the boulevard. The length of this Greenway is 1.5 miles and can take 10 to 15 minutes on a bike, or around 30 to walk each way. Note this section without the blue line. This is where the Greenway is shared with vehicle traffic. The other note is that I took a slightly different route in Deer Creek Park due to construction. Walkers and runners comfortable with crossing streets will not have any problems on the Greenway. Start the route by turning left out of the park and head up the hill toward the railroad undercrossing. This is a sidewalk, but will become a shared-use path just ahead. Turn left on Glen Road and stay to the left. At Mason Avenue, the path continues straight and takes us right to Barnacle Park, where you'll find plenty of bike parking. This hidden little gem is a great spot to play basketball or tennis. The facilities are new and they were completed along with the Greenway. The next section of the Greenway will vary by user. There are sharrows in the street for bikers to use. Walkers and runners should use the sidewalk. The street was light on traffic on the day I rode it, so it was a low-stress ride for me. But paint is not protection, and if you are not comfortable riding in the street, then I would use the sidewalk. This is where runners and walkers will be, so always be respectful of other users and give them the right of way. The street dead ends at Deer Creek Park. There is a path on the right side of the entrance, but I missed it. Across this bridge is Deer Creek Park, where you will find baseball fields, a beach volleyball court, a playground, pavilions, a concession stand open in the evening, water, and restrooms. Normally you would turn to the right to stay on the Greenway, but they are working on stabilizing the stream bank here. Construction should be completed in the spring of 2022. We will join back up with the path in a minute, but for now, we will get a closer look at the park amenities. Locals affectionately refer to this park as Rocket Park due to the space-themed playground. The Deer Creek Greenway is part of the Great Rivers Greenway, a 600-mile planned network of trails to connect the St. Louis region. This next section only leads to a strip mall, but it will be part of a safe connection to the DePere Greenway in the future. Currently, the Great Rivers Greenway, the railroad, and the city are collaborating on a safe route to the River DePere. Follow the Great Rivers Greenway on social media to stay up to date on their projects. Use the link in the description for ways to help the Great Rivers Greenways. Advanced riders can continue on to the Deer Greenway if they don't mind riding in the street. I have a video that shows you one of several routes that you can take, clicking the link above.